So what numbers are you going? 1, then what?
Then I went 2. After that, 3. And then you're next.
Whoa.
You're done. No.
Don't get caught by any spiders. Alright. You can do it, Aria. Go ahead. Follow Finn. Follow Finn. Go down, like Finn.
1. 1 first, Aria. 1.
Hey, Finn, she's fine. You keep going.
Which comes after 1? 4.
Go ahead, Aria. Go on your tummy. On your tummy. Good girl. Finn made it down Spiderweb Mountain.
We almost got.
You did it.
We
you
almost
did it.
got all wrapped up. Come on.
Wait for Aria. She's coming. Do you remember where you have to go next?
Yeah. 2.
Wait. Where do you have to go? Good job, Aria.
The forest.
The forest? Okay. Wait for Aria. You're doing good, Aria.
That way.
Good job. She's doing good. Finn, leave her alone, please. Finn. Go by number 3.
3 is that way.